shifting of a material from one place to another place by using of a machines. It's called a lifting. There are 5 types of cranes: overhead, hydraulic, centroid, tower. What is tandem lifting? If any lifting operation involving 2 cranes or more than 2 cranes is called tandem lifting. What is TW? Time, weighted, average. What is SW? Safe, wide, load. Lifting requirement: critical lift plan, crane checklist, crane inspection sticker, proper navigation and warning signals, repair certificate and operator certificate and license, proper grounding, no oil leakages, lifting hazards, crane fall, overdone, overload, overspeed, oil leakages, mechanical failure, wind speed more than 32 kph.